Well, hi guys. It is Sunday, July the 5th. And as far as I know, they're coming here in about an hour or so to start. The guy down the road is going to come up and finish my wheat. So I figured it'd be a good time to tear into this thing to get ready to change belts. I'm kind of glad I'm doing this right now. I'm finding things I never seen, grease zerks that I didn't know were there. Discovered that pulley bearings are bad. Really bad. So I'll be getting into that. But first I got to get into this bracket up here. I got to unbolt it, swing it down, take this wood block off, I think. I might go between it. To get this belt off, which I had to take it off because it runs in here. Well, you can't see. It runs in the small groove, and the big groove pulley in the back is the one that drives the chopper down to that pulley. And while in here, I've discovered there's a grease zerk on this bearing that I didn't even know was there. Found a grease zerk there. Found a grease zerk here. Oh, there's another one. I'm going to be looking real hard and heavy for other grease zerks. Now, getting these chains, I haven't moved any of this, so it should go back together. I was able to get this chain off without breaking a link. The upper chain up here, this one, I had to take the master out of. I'm going to put it in the oil. Yeah, I might as well get it right now while I'm thinking about it. Give it an oil bath for a few days. Let the other one. Let it have a good soaking for a few days, because it was stiff as a board. Nobody ever oils them things. But like I say, I figured it was a good day to do it. I got to be up here at the farm ready to go when they start cutting wheat, so might as well work on something. Take that belt off too. These will all get replaced. I broke 3 belts. Got to replace 3 belts. The cylinder drive belt here, chopper drive belt, and my cylinder speed belt. I don't know where that one went, but it's gone. So, as they say, when you get into one of these, you're just better off changing all the belts at one time. It just makes life that much simpler, So that's what we're going to do. When I do the other side, it'll be the same way. They all get replaced. Because what you got to do to get to, like the chopper drive belt, you got to disassemble everything anyway. So, rather than having to fight the whole system, let's do it simply. I'm really dreading taking this thing apart, but it's got a good eighth inch slop, and I hope it's just the bearings and not the shaft. But I do have a parts machine I could swipe this off of. It's the same one as here, so if I have to, I can swipe one. If it's just the bearings, I can get those. That's easy enough. I just gotta figure out how to get it off. And I gotta figure out how to get this belt off too. But like I say, I was lucky that the cylinder did not plug. So in that respect, I'm lucky. Just do it a piece at a time here. Like this belt, this should have a V pulley on it, not a flat pulley, because it's riding right on that outside edge, and I really don't like that. So I may look around and see if I have a V pulley to put on this, or I'll get one, I'll put it that way. At any rate, guys, when I get here, I'll get some footage of their combine cutting my wheat. I really can't believe I didn't get any of this before it went down, but the first day was really trying to get everything set. The second day I started running, I started having a few problems, and basically about the time I was ready to set the tripod up, that's when she blew the belt. So it is what it is. Kind of one of those, I hate to have somebody cut this, but it's when they're calling for rain, and knowing that it's going to be, well, when it broke was Friday, I wasn't going to get another Saturday or Sunday. Monday they'd have got in and they had processed the order, and I'd have got the belts Wednesday. So, you know, you got Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 5 days before I get the belts. And knowing I've got rain chances, more chances as time goes on, get the wheat done. You know, get it out of the field. Worry about the combine later. Get the wheat cut, straw baled, and get the double crop beans in. And that's what I'm working on trying to do. The ground is still wet, believe it or not. I was making some ruts in the field with combine, so I know if I go in there to plant it without knowing it's going to rain for sure, I'll mud them in basically, and then where you slip the ground, it'll start drying and it'll bake it hard. And if you do get rain and it dries, it's done for. So I'm kind of playing it by ear. At any rate, guys, when he gets here starts cutting, I'll get some video. So hang on, we'll be right back. Well, any moment the cavalry will appear. As they say, the cavalry has arrived. So this is going to get interesting, guys. So we'll be back here in a few minutes as they prepare to finish my harvest for me. We'll see you here in a bit. It was about 2:10 when he got here. It is now 2:19. Jacob, I think you're going to have some nice windrows to deal with because that's a 30-foot head. He's about right where my belt broke. Yep, there's where the belt broke. And that's it. The harvest is now over. '91. Feels like '94. We have a 5-mile-an-hour wind. And I'm telling you, the 44% humidity is full of crap. It's humid. Well, it took him. Well, I'd say there's 500 bushel in here. Just guessing. Which will make me happy. It's just average wheat. Wow, this is hot. Oh, hang on, I'll be back. I gotta get down from here. It's too hot. Okay. Couldn't hang on to that truck anymore. It's too daggone hot. That aluminum gets quite toasty. As far as the wheat goes, I'm happy. I'm satisfied. I figured it was probably 50 bushel wheat thereabouts. For the year we had, the rain we had, the cold weather in May, I'm happy. Was making about 60 bales an acre on the straw, which is about average. So, all in all, I'm happy. Wasn't a bumper crop, Wasn't a bad crop, just a crop. And well, this was I hated to have the neighbor come, finish cutting this, but well, when it's July the 3rd and you break a belt at 3 o'clock in the afternoon and you call John Deere to see if they got the belt and they say no, we don't have any in stock. Nobody has any in stock within 100 miles. But they can order it. But they won't be able to order it till Monday. So you're looking at, 5 days before you can get the belt. Well, you got to adapt, you got to overcome, you got to do something different. So that's what I did. So we'll see you next time, guys. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up and like button and ring that bell. We'll see you next time. For a day that we're not supposed to have, phone says 0 chances of rain, but the news said 20% chance. It's hot, it's humid, it's sticky. It has been this way for a couple of days. And now we're getting this rolling in. And it's actually kind of moving weird because you got clouds working in opposite directions. Black cloud is moving north. Clouds above are going south. Who knows? Now that the wheat's done, I can stand a little shower, I think. Jacob might not like it, but I can stand it. We'll see you next time, guys. I just did my best Jerry Reed impersonation. Figured it's spitting rain right now. I don't know if you can see it in the video or not. I said earlier, it felt like it could rain today. It's spitting. You can see little spots on the windshield. You can hear it and I can see it looking at the truck. So at least the drives are up on good solid rock. If it does rain, no big deal. Oh Lord, it's been a while since I drove one. But it's like riding a bicycle. It don't take long to remember how to do it. More airplanes. Oh well. We're going to call it here, guys. We'll see you next time. As always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Maybe I'll have to get Bandit trucking going again. Who knows? We'll have to wait and see. See you next time, guys.